Samsung could be taking the Galaxy S27 Ultra in a completely different direction. And surprisingly, the biggest focus might not be the camera system, not the design, not even the next generation processor. It could be cooling, because according to new reports coming out of South Korea, Samsung is working on a solution aimed at one of the biggest challenges modern smartphones face: heat. And if these reports are accurate, the Galaxy S27 Ultra won't just be faster. It could be built to stay fast. For years, Samsung's Ultra phones have delivered incredible peak performance. Apps open instantly, games run smoothly, benchmark scores look impressive. Everything feels powerful right out of the box. But when you push the phone for an extended period of time, things change. Temperatures start climbing, the chipset begins protecting itself, and performance gradually drops. That's not a defect, that's simply how thermal limits work. But Samsung may finally be trying to tackle that problem at its source. According to the latest leaks, the company has reportedly assembled a dedicated team focused on advanced cooling technologies for future Galaxy flagships. And the Galaxy S27 Ultra appears to be one of the main projects benefiting from that research. What's interesting is that this goes far beyond the typical vapor chamber upgrades we hear about every year. Samsung is reportedly exploring liquid-based cooling solutions designed to actively move heat away from the processor before temperatures get out of control. And that could be a major shift. Instead of simply spreading heat throughout the phone, the system would work to remove heat from the area where it's generated most. The concept reportedly involves a sealed internal liquid structure positioned close to the chipset. Its job would be to absorb heat quickly and transfer it away before performance starts to suffer. If Samsung can make this work, the impact could be huge. Think beyond benchmark numbers. Imagine playing demanding games for long sessions without noticeable slowdowns. Imagine editing videos, rendering content, or running AI-powered features for extended periods while maintaining consistent performance. That's where advanced cooling becomes far more important than a few extra points on a benchmark chart. And Samsung isn't stopping there. Reports suggest the company has also tested fan-based cooling systems in early prototypes. However, that approach may never reach a commercial Galaxy device. Fans take up valuable internal space. They add complexity. And they don't exactly fit Samsung's vision of a slim, premium flagship smartphone. For now, liquid-based thermal management appears to be the more realistic path forward. Of course, we're still dealing with early reports, and Samsung hasn't officially confirmed any of these technologies. But if even part of this leak turns out to be true, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could become one of Samsung's most important performance upgrades in years. Not because it's the fastest phone on day one, but because it might finally stay fast when it matters most. So, what do you think? Would advanced liquid cooling make the Galaxy S27 Ultra a must-buy for you, or do cameras and battery life still matter more? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love staying ahead of the latest Samsung leaks, Galaxy rumors, and exclusive smartphone news, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next big update.